In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuillBot. QuillBot, AI, paraphrasing tool, save time and improve writing instantly. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is the quickest way to get to the official site without having to remember a specific URL. In the Google search bar, type the word QuillBot. You should see the official QuillBot website appear near the top of the results. Click the official QuillBot link to go straight to their homepage. Once you're on the site, look for the paraphrasing tool. It's one of QuillBot's main features and is usually visible right in the top navigation or on the homepage. Click on Paraphrasing Tool to open the workspace where you'll do all your rewriting. On the paraphrasing page, you'll see two main panels. The left side is where you type or paste the text you want to improve, and the right side will show the AI's rewritten version. Go ahead and type your text into the input box. You can paste a sentence, a paragraph, or even a longer passage. If your text is very long, consider working in smaller chunks so it's easier to review each result carefully. When your text is ready, click the Paraphrase button. QuillBot will process your writing and produce a version that keeps the original meaning while offering clearer phrasing, different wording, or a smoother flow. Take a moment to read the output. Look for accuracy, tone, and any subtle changes in meaning. Paraphrasing tools aim to preserve intent, but it's always smart to verify the result says exactly what you intend. If you want another take on the same text, click Rephrase. This gives you a fresh alternative, which can be helpful if the first suggestion isn't quite right. Each rephrase can adjust word choice and sentence structure in new ways. So compare the options and choose the one that best matches your style and purpose. Remember, the goal is to save time while improving clarity, not to change your message. As a best practice, review the final output for correctness and consistency with your source material, and make any manual edits you think will help. Responsible use matters, especially for academic or professional writing, so always make sure your work is original and properly cited when needed. And that's it. You searched for QuillBot, opened the paraphrasing tool, typed your text, clicked paraphrase, and used rephrase to refine the result. With a few clicks, you can polish your writing and work more efficiently.